Imperatives. An imperative is a command or order. It can also be used to give instructions, advice, or a warning. Like, for example, be quiet. Go there. Don't do this. The imperative form is the same as the verb. We use the verb without you. Also, imperative verbs take always the first position in a sentence. Now let's have a look at some examples. Turn right. Brush your teeth every day. We can use imperatives to give commands, like, for example, run faster. Put your phone away. An imperative can also be used to give advice or a warning. Like, for example, go to the doctor, you're sick. Stay inside, it's freezing out there. In the negative form you add do not or don't. Here are some examples. Don't smoke. Don't be late. Imperatives in English can be considered rude. Words can be added to make them more polite. You can use please before the verb. Here are some examples. Please call me back. Please send me an email.